Hi everyone. Today video is about a conditional check. The if else conditions. How the code flow is controlled by the conditions. So that is we are going to see today. Because we can't able to write a code with a sequential flow. So if I need certain conditions, I need to take decisions. The humans basically make decisions. So similarly, system also needs to make decisions. So for example, if you are constructing a robot, if it is finding some object, it needs to stop, right? So that is a condition. So for that, how we can achieve in programming? So for that, so we have something called um, conditional check statements. So we have a if else conditions, switch conditions. So like if elif kind of multiple checklist conditions we have. So basically in the real world, we are trying to make decisions. So whether I am in a Chennai or I'm in a Delhi or where I am, so I need to check my condition. So I don't know if I'm traveling somewhere. So how can I check it? So for example, I have given the example of the person named Shiva. So his destination is Chennai. Whether his current location also same or not, I'm checking using a coding. And then it is telling. So the code. So we are giving as mentioned earlier, so we are created the identifiers, that variable. In previous sections, we have covered what is identifiers. So name we are created as a Shiva, and destinations and location also we have created as a variable, and we have assigned it as some values, and we are checking whether the destination and the current location are same or not. Then if it is the same, then we are executing some block. Otherwise, we are executing another block. You are seeing in that example. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment your feedbacks for the betterment.